take it back and I'm told that's wrong. I guess I'll just pretend that everything's fine and everyone's friends, and then I'll fall flat-footed on my face again. Do it up now! My sanity, we've been living on the run. What's best, what's next, just hold your breath, keep moving on. I guess I'll just pretend that everything's fine and everyone's friends. Well, raise your hands if you need more. Had enough of these growing pains, wanna do it my own way. Scratch like all the knife in the back again. They say humanity, I say humiliation. Let's look to the past and bring it back instead of original creation. Can't get it through my head why everything done's being done again. Is repetition the mission, and you're sitting at home just changing station? Had enough of these growing pains, gotta do it my own way. Scratch like all the knife in the back again. Cause if we're doing it all the same, we're gonna end up the same way. Then we'll fall flat-footed on our face again. I don't understand at all, but I'll do my best to hold my tongue and